picture of this?
Got it. I got it.
Okay, guys, you gotta get up. No. You gotta get up. Go. Oh. Party's over. This is crazy. You have to move. You have to get on my. You're gonna get hit. Come on, get out of here. This is crazy, Halo. Look. Move. This is crazy.
That was not good enough.
I can't freaking believe I'm driving with a seagull on my car. There's for the car. It went all over my car. Caitlin, this is crazy. You must get off. You must get off of my car. Look what he did to my car.
What? I didn't see it. Oh. It's over there.
You just better stay away from it.
It's the same one.
He's going. I mean, in my entire life, I've never seen seagulls on my car. Ever. In my 55 years.
It's the same one because it's like a
it
little
is.
head thing. Oh my god, it's coming back. What if I throw it something?
No. No, I'm done. I'm done with it.
He's like watching us. Oh my god. Oh jeez. No. They're coming. They're coming.
Did you see that dive?
I know. Where is that coming from?
I'm not kidding.
Yeah, you go away, Seagull. Oh my god. Oh my god.